In this video, I would like to explain what are the modern trends in HVDC system. The continuous technological development in devices such as power semiconductors and valves, converter control and DC protective equipments like circuit breakers have been placed application of DC transmission. The major contribution of development is to reduce the cost of converter while improving the reliability and performance. The first one, what are the modern trends in power semiconductor and valves? The cost of the converter station will be come down by connecting the number of valves, number of thyristors or valves connected in series, either series or parallel. And also the rating of the valves or thyristor will be increased by providing the better cooling techniques. So we need to do more research on what are the better cooling techniques are available. Next, if the converter is operating with forced commutation at a high voltage is not uneconomical. And there is a requirement of the turn off the thyristor as early as quickly by use of gating signal. Already in market, GTOs are already available at the rating of 2.5 kilovolts and 2 kiloamperes. But the main disadvantage of GTOs is large amount of current is required for gates to turn off the thyristor. In recently, metal oxide semiconductor control thyristors are promising technology in new era. They need only small amount of gating current is required to large amount of line currents to turn off the thyristor. That's why we have to do more research on MCTs, metal oxide semiconductor control thyristor. The turn off time of the MCT also 1/3 of the GTOs. To turn the turn off time of the MCT is also 1/3 time of the GTOs. Next, converter control. In converter control, microcomputer based converter control equipment is designed nowadays, which is used to transmitting automatic transmitting the power between two AC systems, which is used to automatic power transmitting between the two AC systems during the mall operations, mall functions. But these microcomputer based converter control equipment has a flexibility to try with adaptive control algorithms. So we need to develop more adaptive control algorithms for the converter control unit. Next one, DC circuit breakers. Actually, DC circuit breakers are connected in line with the DC transmission lines. The circuit breakers which are used to clearing the faults in DC lines during the faulty condition. But during the faulty condition, there is a chance to commutation failure. That's why more research is required on. There is a coordination between control unit and protective equipment. Next, what is the meaning of operation with weak AC system? The strength of AC system connected to the terminal of DC system. The strength of AC system connected to the terminal of DC system is measured in terms of SCR, short circuit ratio. Actually, the short circuit ratio is defined by the SCR, the short circuit levels available at the converter bus divided by rated power capacity, rated DC power. The short circuit levels, voltage levels at the bus voltage, converter bus side divided by rated DC power. Actually, if the short circuit ratio is less than 3, then that system said to be weak system. That's why operation with weak system means SCR, short circuit ratio, must be always greater than that of 3. If the SCR rating will be less than 3, then that system is said to be weak system. These are the modern trends in HVDC transmission system.